Well, yes, first up, let's talk about VST tillers, and they've launched a new electric vehicle power tiller and weeder, and on the back of this launch, they've also marked their entry into electric farm machinery. So on the back of company's entry into a different product profile altogether, and also on the back of this launch, TST Villas will be in focus. Meanwhile, TCS, they've gone ahead and signed a 5-year deal with SAP. This is to modernize cloud and AI operations. So all of these IT companies continue to expand their AI offerings, and TCS has also partnered with SAP on the back of this. Perhaps we could see some kind of positive reaction on TCS on the back of this news. Global Health, meanwhile, they've inaugurated a 550-bed super specialty hospital in Noida. Emcure Pharma, there is negative news flow over here. The company has gone ahead and informed the exchanges that GST department has conducted search and inspection operations at their Mumbai office. This was between the 24th and 26th of November. Some bit of negative news coming in for Emcure Pharma. Zydus Life Sciences, meanwhile, will also be in focus on the back of some US FDA action, where US FDA has now given tentative approval. This is for a product, and the company says that this particular drug will be produced at company's formulation facility in SEZ, Ahmedabad. So US FDA approval coming in for a drug. Zydus Life Sciences in focus on the back of this. Tata Technologies, on the back of an acquisition which they've completed before the slated timeline. So the company said that they've acquired 100% shareholding in ES Tech through its Singapore unit. Remember, the company had earlier said that this transaction and acquisition will be completed by the 31st of December, but this has already been completed before the slated timeline. Positive development coming in for Tata Technologies. And lastly, Bombay Dyeing, they've temporarily shut down their plant, Patalganga plant. This will be from the 28th of November to 18th of December for a period of 20 days. Production is likely to be hampered on account of this temporary plant shutdown. And they also said that they will be undertaking maintenance tasks for operations and safety at this particular plant. So on the back of this temporary suspension, Bombay Dyeing will also be in focus today.